All right, guys, math chat number 40. Going to quickly go over this with you guys and then let you work independently. For algebraic thinking, you need to write the numerical expression in words. Again, remember you need to start with what is in the parentheses and referencing that operation first before going to the operations outside of the parentheses. So, for example, this one right here, since I have to look at the parentheses, it is going to be the sum of, it's going to be the difference of 5 and 3 added to 10, okay? So that's telling us that the difference of 5 and 3, which we know is 2, added to 10. Make sure you complete those for these two right here. Down for base 10, you are going to be doing some rounding. Remember, when you're rounding, you need to look to the neighbor to the right of the place value you are rounding to. So, for example, I have 2.985. So, if I move that up there, I have 2.985 or 2 and 985 thousandths. If I'm rounding it to the nearest 1, I know 2 is my one place value. So I need to look at the neighbor directly to the right. Now that neighbor, if it's 5 or more, we raise the score. 4 or less, we let it rest. In this case, that neighbor is 5 or more. So that's telling me that I need to raise the score of the place value I am rounding to. So 2 up a value is going to be 3. So my final answer is just going to be 3. And once I get to that place value, or that place value rounded, everything to the right of it just becomes zeros. I don't need to do 3.9, 3.985. It's just 3 or 3.0. Same thing. So make sure that when you guys are solving these, you are looking at the neighbor to the right, following the rule of 5 or more, raise a score, 4 or less, let it rest. Once you round to that place value, everything to the right of it becomes a 0. All right, down here for fractions, you're going to do some fraction multiplication. Remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you're multiplying across. Measurement and data, you have some converting with gallons and quarts. And I have linked in this assignment, not this one. I have linked in this assignment that King Gallon video again for you guys to use as reference for this problem. Down here for geometry, you are just going to plot these points on the coordinate grid. So the square you're going to plot at 8, 2. So I'm going to find the square. This one's the square. Oops. I'm going to go over 8, which is going to be right here. I'm going to go up 2. So my square is going to go right there. Okay. Make sure you plot the identified shape on the labeled coordinates. And that is it for this math chat, guys. Good luck.